particular video, I am going to show you how to make money online reading and recording your voice, helping science to train AI. So I will be walking you through on step-by-step guide how it goes and how you are going to receive your first paid gig, and then you get your account set up and everything. So if you want this kind of video of how to make money online, how to work from home, because you are not moving an inch from your house, the only thing needed for you is for you to get a particular VPN. I'm going to show you in this video. You get the VPN, turn on your VPN, and then you can access this particular um app. Is an app and is on Google Play Store, but you might encounter some issues along the line, and that is why you need to stick around and watch this video, because most of you will just watch the first part and rush to download the app and then start asking me questions that I have already explained in the video. So please do well to watch the video to the end so that you get it step by step. So if you love reading, you have good accent, you are fluent in reading English, this is time for your English, for your clean accent to make you money. Okay, so in order not to waste our time, let me walk you through and how to go about it. But before that, let me welcome you properly. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Life with Faith 247. In this channel, we talk about money making opportunities. So if that interests you, do well to stick around, like this video, thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so that when valuable content such as this comes up, YouTube will notify you. In order not to waste our time, let's dive in. To Google Play Store and then download this particular VPN that you are seeing right now. So, but first, let's disconnect the initial VPN that I am using. Okay. So now this is the VPN. This is TunnelBear VPN, and then you create your account. Put your email and then your password. So after you put your password, you can decide to save or you leave it like that. So to verify our email, we have to go to our email box to verify this particular tunnel VPN. So this is the email. The email pops up now, and then we'll click on verify. So we are actually verified. So you go back to the VPN. You go back to the VPN. Okay. So you go back to the VPN. Verified. Let's click on verified. Okay. So you will close. So once you close, then you can see that is disconnected because we are not connected yet. So as you can see, they are showing us Nigeria and it's black and white goat. Oh my god, like these people, they've really dent our image, but nevertheless, so as you can see, this is the Nigerians. They are black and white goats, and then you click on this arrow here. Okay, let me use my brush for you guys. So you click, okay, let me take this up. Can I take it up? Okay, nevertheless, you can see where my arrow is pointing to. Okay, this arrow that is going up now, you will click on it and then you choose United States. I don't know if you choose other country, it's going to work. I'm showing you what has actually worked for me. Okay, so you choose United States and you choose OK. Okay, and then you turn on this. Immediately you choose United States, it's going to turn on, but in case it did not turn on for you, you have to manually turn it on. Okay, so as you can see, look at the line is showing United States. So that black goat we saw just now is inside this pit now, and then United States is showing up here. So at this point, you can go ahead and minimize this this VPN. So the next thing for you is to go to your Google Play Store. Okay, I'm in. Is to go to your Google Play Store and search for Pillar AI. So now this is not my own personal account. I'm just trying to open this account for someone. So now, as you can see, Pillar AI is not showing here. Actually, this is usual, okay? My first account, which is the account that I created before, Pillar AI was not showing. And this was what I did to sort out the issue. You will just come to the email you use in logging in your Google Play Store. You will click on the email and then you change your email. So let's change our email to another thing else now. Okay, so let's change it to this. Let's see if it's gonna work. So guys, at this point I wanted to show you how I install it, but my recording stopped, which I don't know. But what you're going to do is that in case you, after turning on your VPN, and then the next thing for you is to go to your Google Play Store and then search for Pillar AI. Once you search for Pillar AI, it might not come up like I earlier said, right? Then you change your email that you used for that Google Play Store. Okay, so immediately you change your email, then you switch to another email that you have not used entirely. Then the app is going to pop up. Then you now type Pillar AI, and then you see Pillar AI. As you can see it on the screen here, Pillar. So AI. Then you click on it and download. Once you click on it and download, then you click on sign up. So now I'm signing up. So you type your email. So after putting in your email, your password, then you confirm your password, you need an invitation code. Without an invitation code, they're not going to allow you. Sorry guys. So you input your invitation code. So like I said, this is not my own personal account. I'm trying to register an account for someone. So hold on, I need to log into my account to get my invitation code. Okay, so this is my invitation code. I'm going to leave it on the screen. As you can see, capital M, capital L, capital R, capital V, capital U, MLR, VU. Yeah. So that is my invitation code, and then you create your account. Okay, so it's asking for this now. You are going to allow. Okay, and then you just type your name as a signature, or just do a dot where you are seeing this signature now. So me, I will advise you to clear, don't put a dot, put in your signature like something like this. Okay, or you put in your name. You submit, success. Now it's asking for your profile. Now full name, put in your full name. Then what name do you want to display? Your display name. Okay, so after putting your display name, then you select, you are going to choose United States. United States. Okay. Okay, so at this point you choose Massachusetts. Yes, Massachusetts. So you click on Massachusetts. Okay, so now you're going to click this, select so you're going to click on East Africa. East Africa. East Africa. Then for select gender male. Okay, so save and continue. Okay, now they're asking additional details. Okay, so what is your profession? Are you a teacher or you are a doctor? Well, some people will choose students, but I will prefer you choose teacher. You can choose student, you can choose teacher, you can equally choose doctor. But for now, what do you want to choose? Teacher or a student? Okay, so we'll choose teacher. We'll choose teacher. Then highest level of education completed. So you click on the arrow for it to show you high school, undergraduate, and postgraduate. Okay, postgraduate. Okay, so what is your native language? Not applicable. Let me choose this one. So what is your native language? So we'll click on English. Now this is the native from class or work, from work friends or this. So this part now is disability. We'll click not applicable. Okay, so it's asking in case you have any clinical condition. We'll click not applicable because all these things listed here, you don't have it. If there is anyone you have, you click on it. Okay, but not applicable is advisable, please. So you click on native. Okay, so you click on native and then click next. Now it's asking you for your skin color. I'm gonna click this. Done. Qualify for paid gigs. Okay. Then quality is important. So they need a clear accent. In case you're reading, please clear your throat, drink hot water if possible, and then make it like very clean and clear. Okay. Not in a noisy place because they are using your voice for AI. They are using your voice to train AI. So they needed a clear accent. Okay. Make sure your accent is clean, a clear accent. Okay. So you, as you can see here, they said quality is important. Record in environment with no background noise. Poor quality account, poor quality account will be rejected. So they can actually reject your gigs here whatsoever. Like if you record a voice for them, they can reject your voice because you recorded it in a noisy place, or your voice is not clear, or your accent is not good enough to train AI. So make sure you take all this into consideration. If you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed, please like this video and hit the subscribe button. So moving on, you click on the arrow moving forward. Try again if you make a mistake. So in case you read something, they give you a particular sentence to read and you make a mistake, don't click submit immediately. You click redo. So there's a possibility, there is an avenue for you here to read your sentence. So moving on. So clean selfie and clear background. Okay, so now let's improve AI. Empowering community, elevating AI. So you click on get started. Okay. So clicking on get started, you click on available. Okay, there is no, okay, they are loading for you. Now, as you can see, we have paid gigs here. Okay, $1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, probably it's still loading because when I registered my own, it was 9. Okay, the paid gigs were 9 and the sample gigs is just 1. But this one now it reduces. So whichever one, as you can see, the first gig, which is first baseline project, okay, is $0 because they're using it to test your voice. It's for you to get started, just for you to get acquainted with the application. Okay, so but the rest ones are paid gig. If you have a clear accent, no noise, nothing, and the background is free from noise and all that, then once you finish the estimated time, which is 2 minutes, then they will pay you directly to your PayPal. Okay, isn't that amazing? So moving on. So let me ask my client here, is he ready to to start the paid gig? Because you must complete this before they give you access to the paid gigs. You ready? Okay, so viewers, just keep listening and listen to how he read his own. Probably after this, I'm going to switch to my own paid gig. Okay, so I will switch to my phone and then we get started. But for now, I don't have this base project. I've done my own, so I want to use this phone, this new account now, to record for you so that you can see it. Then probably we'll continue the video from my phone, or better still, we can complete something here for you to actually see it. So moving on, let's get started. So I hope there is no background noise. Okay, so let's click on it. Let's read 10 sentences. So you have 10 sentences to read here. So let me check if my recording is still working. Okay, it's still recording. Okay, so all this now is you are going to read to get paid, read and get paid, train AI. Okay, so this is work from home job opportunity. This is make money online. So in order not to waste our time, let's click on the arrow. Okay, so tip, read the sentence before recording. So you need to read it first for you to get used to the sentence, not just start read and record, because this is a paid something. So they are using this first trial for you as your trial work. So make sure you get perfect about it. Okay, so record yourself reading the sentence. Okay, when done, submit for review. We will check for quality. Okay, so once approved, you will be able to access more gigs. So make sure that this first part is very good. That is how they are going to allow you for more gigs. So in order not to waste our time, let's get started. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. So now this is it. So over to you. Don't record first. Make sure you read it before you record.
Regular checkups can prevent serious health complications. Regular checkups can prevent serious health complications.
So as you can see, he has read it like more than once for you to get used to the pronunciation of each word before you continue whatsoever you are doing. So once you already study it like is you are good to go, then you now click on record. So immediately you are done, you will click on the green icon. It's going to show here. So this play button is asking you to play and listen to your own voice. If you are not okay by it, because the first thing is that for you to judge yourself. If somebody submits this kind of work to you, are you going to approve the person? So you listen to your voice. If you feel like, okay, you are okay, then you can go ahead and click submit. But if you're not okay with it, you can redo. Okay. If there's any mistake you made, you can click and then redo. So let's click to hear it.
Regular checkups can prevent serious health complications.
Okay, so as you can see, there's no background noise, there's nothing. Then we'll click on submit. So please note, anywhere there is plural, make sure you are able to say it well. Like this complication, it's not complication, it's complications. Okay, so add s when you see s, remove s if there is no s, don't add it. Just read it exactly how you see it there. So let's click on submit. Okay, so
The physician prescribes a new medication for a chronic condition. The physician prescribed a new medication for a chronic condition.
So immediately after you record, what do? You pause immediately so that voice will not enter it or background noise will not enter it. So immediately you finish record, you click on it immediately.
The physician prescribed a new medication for a chronic condition.
So this my student is actually trying. Okay, so moving ahead, let's submit. Okay. So as you can see, at this point, we're done with all the recording. After much do, redo. So we're able to finalize everything. Once you listen to your voice and you're not okay with what you read, you redo and then you finish your work. And that is all. Then you move in now to your dashboard. So now, as you can see, okay, let's go to the completed. As you can see, it's been cancelled. That shows we've completed this first trial work. So any other one you do here now is going to be your paid work. So make sure you do it diligently. No background noise, no mistake. Pronunciation and accents are clean so that your work can be approved. Okay. So immediately you finish doing it, you can see we have tons of job here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so they've added the remaining one. So we have 9 jobs here now, and each of them is $1. So that shows approximately we have $9 here. Will be $9. So if we are able to complete all those jobs, and then they are going to pay straight to your PayPal. So one thing I want you to understand is that if you're using email, even if you don't use your email PayPal, which is the email you use to register your PayPal for your first registration. Okay, let's move to this place. So as you can see, the email up here where your human avatar is. Okay, so you can always change that email. Okay, so if you don't have PayPal email or a working PayPal account now, you can use whichever email you want just to get yourself registered to this application. And then after that, before you complete any paid gig, please get your working PayPal, because if you register with a random email that is not a PayPal email and you did not change it before you start your paid gig, as we have done here now, this email is a PayPal email, but you can register with your normal email and do your first trial work. After that, please make sure you change that email. You come to this update profile and enter your name, then enter PayPal email, enter your Cash App. So they have two payment methods in this particular video. Like PayPal has been giving us issues from now and then. So we can actually create a Cash App in case your PayPal is not working or PayPal will bring issues. So it's either you use a PayPal email or your Cash App. Okay, you can move ahead and do all this, but this video is already too long, so I don't want to walk you through. Okay, so now I'm on my Pillar account, as you can see. So let me show you my completed my completed project. As you can see, that first baseline project completed, and wellness completed, cholesterol completed, allergy completed, acne completed. Okay, so now I still have like oh wow, they're bringing more for me. This is customer service, this is diabetes 2, injury 3, mental health general 4, and then muscle pain. So as you can see how he read it just now. So if I want to carry out my own also, that is how I'm going to read it. You read it fluently without issues, without noise, background noise, and then really you get paid. So let me walk you through my email now. When they send you notification, so immediately you registered on this app, they're going to send you a notification, which is if you complete your first baseline project and it's approved, that is when you are ready to receive payment. They are going to tell you that, okay, so they're going to tell you that your account is ready to receive paid gig. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is the email here. They say congratulations, your account has been approved for paid gig. Okay, so this is it. This particular app is legit, is a side hustle. Well, this particular update will not get you rich quick. This update is not going to buy you all your luxurious things that you actually needed, but it can settle some bills for you. So if you have watched to this point, do well to like, do well to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when incredible videos such as this comes up, YouTube will not fail to notify you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.